Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 15th chapter, that is the wind storm and cyclones. So in previous video already we have discussed about that on event of that lands and about that winds of that surface area. And but students, today we are going to discuss about the types of storms. So there are different types of storms according to that speed, according to their occurrence. So there especially these thunderstorms are occurring like in our India, like those places are very hot and humidity regions are especially it is suitable and it is creating these thunderstorms. Okay, so this thunderstorms, why it is happening, you know that students, whenever that one particular region will get that more heat or that humidity, then what will happen, that hot air will go upwards, and at that same time see that cool air will come to the down. When that time what will happen, with that air will come rain and with the lightning and the heavy speed with whenever it will come, that is created as called as a thunderstorm. Do you know that lightning and thunder? Yes. So whenever in the during the rainy season you have seen that lightning and also you have heard also thunder. After the lightning only thunder will get, that sound will create, and that is called as a thunder. So lightning, what is that students? Whenever that charges are discharges by that friction of ice fish and water balls like that, those are present in that space, or those are present in that our atmosphere of that clouds, and they are crushing each other and they are making that friction. So due to that frictions, it is creating that charges. Okay, heavy frictions are there, so that's why it is creating that or discharging that electricity. That electricity is called as lightning. After that the sound is producing by the frictions, and that is called as thunder. That is, what is that? That is thunder, and that is which only light we are getting, that is called as lightning. So in the rainy time, whenever we are getting at a time thunder, lightning and rain, and at a time that more wind speed, so that whole, that is called as the thunderstorm. Thunderstorms actually, whenever that one particular area will get more heat and humidity will come, and that it will go to the up, that hot air will go to that up, and the same time when that to complete that place, that air that cool air will come to the down, from up to down, and with that also it will come that raindrops and waters rains, and with high speed and with also lightning. So that is total whole part is called as a thunder, that thunderstorm. And how we can take the precaution about this, how we are staying in, we have to stay in that house inside. We should not go outside. If you are go outside, then you have to take shelter about that, which one is not that isolated, that trees, that near that you have to stand, and where we can also there are like very not that more height trees are like that should not be stand, because if it will be lightning, then it sure we will get the shock. We should not use that metallic umbrella, and we don't want to take bath during the time lightning and thunderstorms. Okay, so this whole part about that we will discuss in this video. So let us see what is the types of storms. Different types of storms caused by the violent air current in the accompanied by the heavy rains, high speed of winds and lightning. So whenever that heavy rains and high speed of winds and lightning, at that time, that is called as the different. That is a special of that. What is that? Current, electrical or violent air current. The storm may occur on the land or over the sea. Sometimes see in the sea also it will, over the sea also it will be the thunderstorm it will occur, and sometimes also on the land. But particular things is whenever that region, particular area will get that heat, then it will be evaporates, that it will go upward, that place particularly that thunderstorms it will be occur. And especially in India there is a thunderstorm where is that more hot and humidity also is there. Okay, thunderstorm, upward movement of hot air and downward movement of the cold air lead to storm winds along the rainfall, lightning and thunder. These events together are called thunderstorm. Upward movement of the hot air, जब whenever एक particular place में क्या हो जाता, hot हो जाता, होने बाद ये क्या हो जाता, वो lightning हो जाता. I told already, I gave that proof. Whenever that air will get that heat, it will become light and it will go to the, it rises to up. So whenever it is that hot air will go to that up, at that time it will become empty. Then the cool air will come to the down, and that will come with rainwater and rainfall, lightning and thunder with whenever will come. The together all that events is called as a thunderstorm. Okay. So next we will discuss about that what is the precautions to be taken in the case of thunderstorm. What are the precautions? There I wrote here near about the 4 precautions are there. First precaution: the best place to stay during the thunderstorm is indoor with all the doors and windows are shut. That means it is very best policy, best things is best place is what is that you have to stay in your room and in your house, and at that time whenever the thunderstorms it is happening and occurring, that time you have to close all doors and windows. Okay. Second, if you got outside, you do not take shelter under the isolated tree, do not lie down on the ground, and you do not use umbrella with a metallic grade. If you are suppose you are in outside, suddenly it is that thunderstorm will come, so at that time what you have to do? You should not stay in on the ground and open ground. You do not stand there or do not lie on the ground, and you can stay in a car or in a bus, but don't stay in the isolated tree that which on a very long tree also like that, or you cannot don't have to stay like that. You can take a shelter in a car or bus. If you are in water pool, get out and take the shelter nearby the buildings. If you are suppose you are swimming or taking bath at that time the thunderstorm started, then at that time as soon as possible you should come out from the pond or the swimming pool or the pool, and you should take care and take rest at the pool at the nearby the buildings. Okay friends, I hope you have understand about that what is that thunderstorm. Now we will discuss about that students next tornadoes, and how that tornadoes are happening, and how what is that tornadoes and cyclones in the next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.